What is up, everybody? It's Nghonyama, my grade 12 learner from Nghonyama High School, and this is our community profile. Our project was aimed at identifying our community's needs. We were identifying the needs that hindered our academic performance, and from there we were looking for solutions that could help address these needs. We had to start off by conducting research to find the needs, so we used a sample of about 50 learners from the school, a group of teachers, and also some community members. We gave them surveys and questionnaires asking about the community needs so that we could get an insight from the community members themselves of what exactly was needed in order to improve the school's academic performance. You're probably asking yourself, where is Nghonyama High School? Nghonyama High School is a secondary school in the deep hills of Limpopo in Giyani, Magena. It consists of about 1,400 learners, and it's a culturally and linguistically diverse school. The 1,400 learners are accommodated by 45 classes, 4 staff rooms for the teacher, and 2 unstable laboratories. Not all the learners who go to Nghonyama High School live at Magena village. About 34% of them live in the neighboring villages and therefore need to use transportation to come to school. This brings us to the services. About 39% of the learners walk to school from their homes, 27 use bicycles, and 34 use public or private transportation. The school gets its water supply from a borehole that is within the community, its food supply from the National School Nutritional Program, electricity from ESCOM, and also has a netball court and a soccer field for physical education. When conducting the research, we came across more than one need, and one question that crossed our minds was that which one was most urgent. Our hypothesis was that the renovation of the lab is the most urgent at the moment because the lab is being used as a learning environment even though it is unstable and poses as a hazard to the learner's health and safety. We want to start off by bettering the overall learning environment because research has shown that a child learns better in a place where they feel safe, and a safer environment increases the likelihood of them achieving.
Good day. My name is Mashabanko Research Harris, and I'll be focusing on the research design, tools used, and SWOT analysis of our research. The research design is based on both qualitative and quantitative methods, whereby the qualitative method assisted us in collecting information about the infrastructure and environment of our community, and the quantitative method assisted us in collecting information about the population and statistics of our community. The tools used involved triangulation method, which assisted us in gaining information about the issues that needed to be addressed most urgently and most importantly. The SWOT analysis, it is a way of tracing the progress and the success of a campaign, and in this regard, our research project. The strength of our research is that it was quite easy for us to get sponsorship and donations because our group is quite numbered and we all live in various locations. The weakness of our research is that the renovation of the laboratory involved the movement of heavy tables and chairs, which was quite a very challenging activity for some of the members of the group. The opportunities of our research is that a few teachers from a school had donated a few rands towards the implementation plan, while a few learners also from our school had volunteered to help move the tables and the chairs from the laboratory to help with the renovations. Then lastly, the threat of our research is due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It has caused the progress of the implementation plan to be slowed down. During the conduction of the research, we have discovered that our school is quite large in number and our classrooms are limited. This has led to overcongestion in each of the classes and can also lead to very easy transmission and spread of the COVID-19 virus. And we believe that with the renovation of the school hall and laboratory, this can help address the issue of overcongestion and thus reducing the spread of COVID-19 in our school. Thank you.
As according to educationworld.com, learners retain information faster when they're in a safe and clean environment. With that being proven, the aim of our project since the community need research in 2019 is to renovate the science and biology laboratory. Our project is specific as we know what to do and how it should be done. The time frame can be measurable, and unfortunately, we were unable to achieve the implementation of our project over the given time frame. It is achievable as the project is in progress and the materials which are to be used in the implementation are available. It is realistic because the project can be implemented irregardless of the pandemic. Our project is although not timely, as a specific timetable of the project completed is not highlighted due to the effects the renovation has, which is reducing the learning space for science and biology learners. Hence, the project only proceeds on weekends when school is not in progress. However, our sponsors have indicated the duration of our project to take about 4 weeks, from July 19, 2021 to month end of August. We plan to host a fundraising event during the months of January and February. However, due to the COVID-19 outbreak, the plan was unsuccessful. We then presented our ideas to the school management team, seeking permission to go outside our community looking for donors and sponsors to renovate our labs. Permission was then granted during the month of April 2021. Then we went to different local companies asking for donations. And in so doing, we were able to receive donations from the Buku company and Giyani Bricks and Sand. The two companies are working jointly in the renovation of our school labs. Due to the challenge of class size which our school is currently facing, the two labs are used as additional classrooms to accommodate learners so as to adhere to the rules and regulations of COVID-19. This issue has led to the delays in the renovation. This renovation will create an environment and a space where learning is much easier and safe. This furthermore increases the performance of learners, as experiments will not only be done verbally or rely on theoretical aspects, but visual aspects will be taken into consideration as well.
Summing up everything that has already been said, the abstract of plan is as follows. As already highlighted, the research was set out to explore the needs which our community in Nghonyama High School may be experiencing, as well as how these needs could be met. In doing this research, numerous factors such as class size, shortage of classrooms, and furniture to accommodate learners, poor foundation laid in lower grades were discovered, and these factors emerged from the qualitative data, which include the interviews and focus group with the school management and learners through the help of the community members, students, educators, staff, and the school governing board. So we have chose to renovate our science and biology laboratories, as this will help to enhance learners' knowledge as well as improving their level of achievement. Renovating the science and biology laboratories will result in a positive change of increasing the school's result, which will be the benefit of the school. And this is because not only will the laboratories be healthier to work in, but as well as to create a better, safer environment to perform experiments and presentations. With reference to slides, Buku and Biza Sand and Bricks will be responsible for the renovating both laboratories, and henceforth the school will be responsible in maintaining. As COVID-19 has come our way and it has disturbed many plans that we had in our implementation plan. So as we have already said, or as already indicated, that our implementation plan was based on renovating the school laboratories. So it is most certainly guaranteed that the infrastructure that is going to be put inside the laboratory will last for a long period of time, due to the fact that the renovations are going to be done by professionals who are experienced in doing construction. And another thing, rules will be in place regarding for a long period of time, due to the fact that the renovations are going to be done by professionals who are experienced in doing construction. And another thing, rules will be in place regarding the utilization of lab equipment. Example, parents or guardian of a learner will be forced to replace the damaged equipment done by their child, and this rule is in line with the code of conduct of the school. So learners will be encouraged to take good care of the equipment to make sure that they are in good condition. Keep them clean all the time.